In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the form calculation widget in Jotform. This versatile tool allows you to perform calculations within your forms, enhancing their functionality and making data collection more dynamic. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Navigate to their website and either log into your existing account or sign up if you're new to Jotform. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Jotform dashboard. From here, you can either open an existing form or create a new one to get started. Once in the form builder, you'll want to locate the form calculation widget. This can be found under the Widgets tab in the toolbox to the left of your screen. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find it quickly. The form calculation widget is an essential tool for performing calculations directly within your form. Now, drag and drop the form calculation widget onto your form. This simple action adds a new element to your form that you can customize to calculate values based on user input data. Once placed, click on the form calculation widget to begin configuring it. You should see a little wand icon appear on the right side of the widget, indicating the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that wand icon. You'll now be presented with the Settings interface for the widget. Here, click Add Field to bring up a list of all the available fields in your form that you can include in your calculation. This step is crucial because selecting the right fields will determine the calculation's parameters. Each field you choose will be added to the calculation formula. Next, it's time to define the calculation using mathematical operators, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, represented by the symbols plus +, and + respectively. By constructing a formula, you can dictate exactly how these fields interact with one another to produce a result. For example, if you want to calculate the sum of two fields, all you have to do is place a plus sign between them. It's really that simple. For more complex calculations, delve into functions offered in Jotform's help documentation like abs, which returns the absolute value, sqrt, for finding square roots, or avg, which can calculate averages. These functions add another layer of sophistication to your calculations and can handle more specific needs. Once you've set up the desired calculation and confirmed your operation, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your form is now equipped with a powerful calculation tool that enhances its capabilities. As you use Jotform's form calculation widget, you'll find it incredibly valuable for making forms more interactive and informative, whether you're calculating totals, averages, or any other numerical value that supports your data collection goals. Happy form creating!